Charter Manufacturing is a fourth-generation family-owned business. It started with my great-grandfather and my grandfather figuring out a better way to supply shaped steel wire. The business started with figuring out a way to do something better, and it really blossomed from there.
I would say, first and foremost, we're a service business that happens to make iron and steel. Why do we do what we do at Charter? I think more than anything else, it's the will to grow. There's an entrepreneurial spirit. I know in my father, and I know John and I both have that entrepreneurial spirit, where we want to grow something and make it truly great.
Yeah, our mission statement is our will to grow drives us to do it better. In that sentence, we use the word our and us. That represents the Charter family, not just the Mellows family, but the Charter family, which is all the employees.
The values at Charter Manufacturing have been built up over the years, starting with my grandfather and then my dad. My dad was a great contributor to the values of the company. He really had a good sense of what a good employer should be. And he realized that it was, if we were going to run a business, a successful business, we would have to change our culture to one of cooperation and mutual trust with our employees.
I think it all starts with trust. I think if we don't trust the employees, why would the employees trust Charter Manufacturing? They're giving their time and their effort to better the business. And so it becomes a very much of a virtuous cycle of we trust them, they trust us, and we're all rowing in the same direction.
Safety is the first value we want. It's as simple as we want everybody to leave work the same way they showed up from work. Teamwork, we're at our best at Charter when we take a team-based approach. Continuous improvement, it's part of our DNA, and we try to do everything just a little bit better each and every day.
Through the engagement process of the employees and utilizing programs where there's continuous improvement, you really get everyone on the same page, and consequently, you're able to improve the process and make a better product.
You need everybody pitching in to provide ideas, provide solutions to help us get better. And the neat thing about Charter is we're excited to invest in those ideas. We're excited to sponsor teams. And the teams are not run by the managers and supervisors. Oftentimes they're run by guys on the shop floor who know how to improve their job or the performance of the shop.
We empower them so they can make changes. They can have an impact.
I'm very excited to be part of this company and very proud of the 3 generations of hard work that went before, and by investing in our people, investing in our culture, investing in our business, I think we can be successful going forward.
The company has been my passion for my working life, and I can't just give it up. It's been a part of my life for 50 years, an active part of my life for 50 years.
It's funny, when you hear about the steel business at the dinner table as a 9-year-old kid, and then you start visiting, a lot of the shops as a young adult, and then you start your career, it's in my blood, and it will forever be in my blood.